Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge Beta. This is Swapnil, and this video is related to MacBook tips and tricks. If you are a Windows user, or if you are doing in an office, okay. So if you are a Windows user, right, and then you can you are familiar with the paints. In corporate life, we mostly use if you ask me, I mostly use paint to highlight something, to send it over a mail to my client or something like that, so that they can we can address that particular issue or the screenshot where we can highlight particular things and then we can share with the users. But if you are but the same functionality, if you want to do it in a MacBook, the paint application is not there. So what you will do, there is another, you can install third-party applications by using a app store, but we have an application in the MacBook called Freeform that we can use, and you can do the same things like we did in Windows for the paint, using the paints. So for that, this is, if you see my screen, this is the Freeform, okay, and this is like it. You can say it's more advanced to that paint, because paint has limited size where you can paste and something like that. But here you have whole canvas, right? So you can drag and drop and you can use multiple things over here. Okay, so for the basic, let's say I will give you a scenario, right? Let's say if this is the screenshot, right, this is my desktop screen, and I want to highlight this last three sections, and I want to say that this need to be fixed or something like that, okay, and I want to add the text as well as I want to highlight these particular three things. Okay, so what should I do? I will first take a screenshot by using Shift Command and 4. Okay, now I can select the area which I want to select. Okay, so this is the screenshot that I have added over here, and it's directly saved to my desktop. Now what I will do, I will go to my Freeform, okay, and here is the icon called attachment where I can use my files, choose files. So I have taken the screenshot of this. I will insert it, okay, and now if you see, if you are wondering, it's very small, okay, so you can drag or you can adjust the size, okay. So but if you see, I have, if this is a in first position, then I can use the another area also, right? But let's focus on this, okay. I just zoom it, you can zoom it also. Now I want to highlight that particular things. So let's say I have, okay, I want to highlight these two things, okay, and one more thing, let's say. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, like in a paint we use object, so here also if you click on this icon, you can use the object like a rectangle, or we have multiple options right over here, 3D and all. Okay, so basic, I want basic rectangle, okay, but this is with some color. Okay, so what you have to do is, okay, yeah, control Z, let's say, I think I have added something. Okay, so I will add again this rectangle. I will fix, I can use, or I can fix the size. Okay, now it's with some color. Okay, so if you click on that icon, you will get the options. So I will select no fill. Now it don't have border and it doesn't have any color. Okay, it's transparent if I click on outside, but but I need a border, right? So what you have to do is, you can use this pencil icon, and you can if you if you increase the pointer, the width will be also increased. I don't want this kind of thing. The one is fine for me. So now what I will do is, I will adjust this again, rectangle, and I will, oh sorry, okay, so now I will, okay, you have to select the rectangle. Okay, let's go to that section. Okay, so I want to highlight these two objects in my section, and again I want to add some text. Okay, so if you click on text, and it will add it, and just you have to, whatever you have to type, this need to be changed. Okay, you can adjust the, you can make the bold also, and you can adjust the font size also. Okay, yeah, and you can change the color also. Okay, So now, but it's not in, I don't want it at the center. Okay, so what I will do is I will make it over here. Okay, so this right now it's making sense. Okay, now we can use the shapes also, like this geometric and all this thing. If I want, I can use that. Let's make it something like this. Okay, and I want color. Okay, I don't want 3-pointer. I just only want 1 or 2, and again I can change the color also. Yeah, so this is how you can highlight as many things as you can, like we used to do in a paints. Okay, now the final option is how to save it, this particular screenshot. Okay, from if you save it over here, it will save in a freeform format, but I just want this particular screenshot, right? So what I will do is I will again use the screenshot section as option. Like in a Mac you can use shift command and 4, and I will take and I will crop this area. Okay, and it automatically saved in my desktop because I have given the path. Okay, so if you see, if I open this, so this is how you can use it, and you can paste this in mails or any other thing if you want to post it in a chat and something like that, or send it over mail or add it in the words. So this is how you can use as a free form like a paint application in a MacBook to do your creativity. Okay, so if you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.